Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Today I want to show you how I make a peanut butter pie. There's a restaurant here in Bessemer it's a great restaurant and it's been here over 100 years, and one of their signature pies is a peanut butter pie. But I'm going to show you how I make mine. They put the meringue on theirs and they have the regular crust. Well, I'm not using a meringue, and I'm going to use a graham cracker crust. Now, you can use a regular pie crust. I would bake it off completely and let it cool completely. Then you follow this. I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and I've let it soften to room temperature. And I have a container of mascarpone cheese. Now this is about 8 ounces as well, and I've let this also come to room temperature because you want these to blend well. And we're going to do that. I'm going to add in 1 cup of peanut butter. I use smooth, and you can probably use chunky if you want to. That would be your preference. I don't know why you couldn't. I like the smooth. I'm just partial to it. And I'm just going to kind of mix this up just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you know the cap is 1 teaspoon. Put that in there. And I'm going to give it a little whir. Just to get it blended. And then I'm going to put in an 8-ounce carton of whipped topping. Now, you may be wondering why we're not using homemade whipped cream, and that's because this topping will hold up a lot better. So we're going to put the whole thing in here. So let's mix it up just a little bit. The hardest part is emptying out the cartons. Okay, so this is not fully mixed, but that's okay because I still have to put in 2 cups of powdered sugar. You think this is going to be real sweet, but actually it's not. And it's not an overly sweet pie. You do get the peanut butter taste. Start slow because I don't want powdered sugar all over my kitchen. We're just going to mix this until it's well combined. It's coming together really well. I want to scrape down my bowl though, because I want to make sure I'm getting everything blended together and make sure I get into the bottom of that bowl. If you could just smell this peanut butter smell. Let's taste it. I'm gonna rinse my hands off. And all we have left, we're gonna put it in this pie crust. And it is going to fill it up. But that's what we want, right? We don't want a skimpy pie. And let's just spread it around, smooth it out. If you wanted to wait till last and put the peanut butter in, and then just kind of get streaks of peanut butter through that, that would be wonderful, and it would be so pretty. There we go. Now, look at that pie. Isn't that gorgeous? We're not done. I have another 8-ounce carton of whipped topping. Now, at this point, because I'm taking the easy route, I just want to do something quick and easy. So I'm using the whipped topping. I'm going to spread this on top, but you can certainly use homemade whipped cream if you want to. We're going to spread it out. I think I'm just going to leave the sides exposed so you can see what it looks like under all this topping. You can get the, see the peanut butter filling. I know what it is about pie. You just got to make it pretty. Okay, now see how I left the edges open? We're not done. I have the chocolate syrup that gets hard, the magic shell, something like that they call it, and I'm just going to go back and forth. And I'm just going to squeeze it out on there. It don't have to be perfect. And just make little zigzags on this pie. Now, looky there. See that beautiful pie? And that's it. Now, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. And I'm going to let it set up. And it'll set up, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours till after we have dinner tonight. And then we're going to enjoy a slice of it. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you will make this pie. And if you do, certainly let me know. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post another video. Thanks everybody. See you soon. Bye.